Hi everybody, today in front of me I have this ZTE Blade A31 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can share the password of the Wi-Fi network on this device. So first of all, you gotta swipe down in order for the notification center to appear. Here, tap and hold at the Wi-Fi in order to open up the Wi-Fi settings. Choose the network that you would like to share the password of. In my case, it's going to be the HardReset.Info. Go to its settings and click on this share button. And now all that it's left to do is to take the device that we want to share the network password with and scan this QR code. In my case, I'm going to use this Asus smartphone. I will go ahead and look for the Google Lens in order to scan the QR code itself. So frame the QR code, tap on it, and after you'll tap, it will provide you with this join network button. Tap on it. And as you will see right now, our phone will be successfully connected to HardReset.Info network. Alright, so that was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye!